Where exactly does a line cross the y-axis? That special point has a name. Let's find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line meets the y-axis. At this point, x is always 0. In y equals mx plus c, the value c is your y-intercept. So in y equals 3x plus 5, the y-intercept is 5. What if the equation isn't in y equals mx plus c form? Just substitute x equals 0 and solve for y. Common mistake. Students set y to 0 instead of x. Remember, y-intercept means x is 0, not y. Memory tip. For the y-intercept, let x rest at 0. The answer is always the point 0, c. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.